Hey guys, in class we've been talking about the difference between additive and multiplicative patterns in graphing and tables, so I thought I would do a quick video on that. And just start with a problem that I found. So here it says, for a family breakfast, Angie plans to purchase several quarts of juice. The graph shows the number of cups that can be filled from a given number of quart juice bottles. And if we just look at our graph, we can see that cups of juice is along our y-axis and quarts of juice is along the x-axis. If I want to figure out my rule and then make an equation from that, the first thing that I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to write the ordered pairs. So this first one is going to be 1, 4. This one is then going to be 2, 8. And the last one is going to be 3, 12. From there, I can then make a table to house my data. So my x coordinate is going to be my input. My y coordinate is going to be my output. And if I look here, I can see the very first set of coordinates is 1, 4. Next is 2, 8. And finally, there's 3, 12. And I could continue that on if I needed to. From here, I need to look and see whether I'm adding or whether I'm multiplying. If I'm adding, it's going to be an additive pattern. If I'm multiplying, it's going to be a multiplicative pattern. By just looking at the first set of coordinates, I can't really tell because I know that 1 plus 3 is 4, or 1 times 4 is 4. So I have to look at multiple sets of data to figure out which it is. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. So my pattern here is that I'm multiplying by 4. If I then wanted to take that and create an equation, I could do that. I could say that y is equal to, so this 4 is going to be equal to 1 times 4, or x times 4. There are a couple of different ways that I can write this. I can either use the traditional little cross symbol, or I can remember that I can use a dot, or I can just put the 2 right next to each other, like 4x, that also means 4 times x, or I can use parentheses. Any one of those is going to be acceptable. So again, the difference between additive and multiplicative is this an addition pattern? Is this a multiplication pattern? You have to look at more than just the first points to decide. Also, remember the order matters. Y is equal to x times 4 is not the same thing as x is equal to y times 4, because you have to look at which one is the input and which one is the output. So that's a very common mistake that we've been seeing in class. All right, I hope this helps you guys. Bye.